doing a review of the CARSUN tire inflator that I bought. Here it is right here. It's got different modes that you can choose from. That's like regular, personal. There's for your car, motorcycle, bike, ball. It's even got a light. Pretty bright. This comes with these attachments on here. Little bag to carry on. Comes with, you can use your car or you can plug it into your outlet. I was able to blow up my tires on my dolly quickly, fast, and it blew up a ball within seconds. I would say and overrate this product. Works very well as advertised. I still need to do my car, but overall satisfied with the product.
Mírala, ya se apagó. Si le doy a prender ahí, que es donde prende, aquí, me ve que está oscuro. Ahí no prende, mírala ahí. Ni la luz tampoco prende. Nada, no está haciendo nada. Y está conectada desde anoche. La desconecté esta mañana y volví la puse ahora y no hace nada.
So it started smoking. I just plugged it back in and now it's making this awful noise. And at least the smoking stopped, but it's not inflating anything. And the screen on the front isn't coming on at all.